exciting opportunity for you to code and have fun along the way. IIT Madras BSc degree program is launching a cricket hackathon for all students, professionals and data science enthusiasts. Participation can be as an individual or as a team with maximum 4 members. There is no participation fee. This is an academic contest, cricket and coding challenge. Anyone who has elementary knowledge of coding and an interest in data science can register and compete. For non-coders, a non-competitive guess the score event is open who want to participate without writing any code. So, you have to fill this Google form to register and participate in the hackathon. Here you can see, you can register as individually or as a team, and you can use code to predict the score, and you can do it by intuition. So intuition is for the non-coders. For the coders, the basic knowledge of cricket, Python language skills, analyzing the data from previous matches and coming up with a code to predict the scores after 6 overs in every innings. And for non-coders, a non-competitive guess the score event is open to all the non-programmers who want to participate without writing any code. Special event t-shirts are up for the grabs for participants in this non-coders category. There will be exciting prizes and certificates from IIT Madras. So about the competition, for upcoming T20 matches, participants should submit their code to predict the score at the end of 6 overs in each of the innings. This academic competition has been designed for beginners to learn and compete, as well as professionals to demonstrate their capabilities. Even those who are new to data science but have the interest to learn can go through the resources available online and try participating by using simple mathematical models. The individual or team with the lowest error in their prediction over 50 innings will be declared as the winner of the IIT Madras BSc Degree Cricket Hackathon 2021. So you will be given ball by ball data from 1600 innings of the past T20 matches, sample input file which the code has to accept and process, some videos introducing basic data science concept and introducing the dataset. So the output expected from the code is, for each innings of each match, the output of the code must be a single number, which is the score at the end of the 6th over. After the match is over every day, IIT BSc team will prepare the input file for each of the innings in the format shared on the website and execute the participants' latest code against it. The points won by the participant will depend on how close the score predicted by the code matches the actual score. Every day at 12 noon, the results of the match of the previous day will be released. The leaderboard will display the winners of the day and winners based on cumulative points acquired. So for the non-coders, if you are a keen follower of cricket and have a fair understanding of the game but are not a programmer or a data scientist, you can register on the form and choose the option I am planning to predict the score using intuition. Log in every day and predict the score at the end of 6 overs for each team playing the day, and win t-shirts from IIT Madras. So for the overall winners selected at the end of 50 innings of predictions, top 5 individuals or teams will get a cash prize of Rs 1 lakh each, along with the certificate of appreciation. Teams in positions 6 to 10 will get a cash prize of 25,000 each, along with the certificate of appreciation. And teams in positions 11 to 15 will get a cash prize of 5,000 each, along with the certificate of appreciation. IIT Madras BSc program t-shirts for unique winners getting into leaderboard of the day. Other participants of the coding contest, top 10 new winners who make it to the leaderboard of the day will get IIT Madras BSc degree t-shirts. So the link to apply is given in the description.